See how it goes. Oh, there it goes. Woo! Hey guys, today's video is brought to you by Maxfoot. I have purchased a MF-19. It's a mountain bike that's foldable and it's electric. So this is something I'm able to use to drive around my 20-acre property, check on flares, camel, ponds. Also, if I want to take a road trip, throw it in the back of my truck, take it into town to ride around. So let me get this thing unboxed and show you what we have. All right, it didn't take much to put this together. We actually didn't even do a very good job reading the directions because we missed the front light. But we'll come back and put that on. I'm kind of anxious to get this thing going, so I'm gonna open up the garage door. I might need to adjust the seat down. I'm vertically challenged. As soon as you pedal, this thing kicks into gear. Whoa, it's like a wild horse. Holy cow. All right, I gotta gear it down. There we go. Hey, look at me, this thing's flying. Holy cow. Wow, this is nice. As soon as you give it a little pedal, it just takes off. Look at that. Oh! And it's got good brakes. This is a good looking vehicle. All right, if you guys like adventure, you got to get yourself a Maxfoot. These are the go-to electric bikes. This thing is so sturdy, well built, so impressed. I love cruising around, and this way I can get a lot more miles in and I can keep up with my wife. So if you guys want to have some fun, look into the Maxfoot bikes. You will not be disappointed.